This is a video on how to install your printer on a Windows 10 computer. First thing we're going to do is click on the Windows menu down in the lower left-hand corner. Next thing we're going to do is roll up to where it says Settings all the way in the far lower left-hand side of the computer. Then we're going to look and see where it says Devices. We're going to go ahead and click on Devices. And then we're going to roll over to the left-hand side of the computer where it says Printers and Scanners. I'm going to click on that and say Add a printer or scanner. With all hope, this will pick up all of your wireless printers and devices that you have connected to your computer. And mine was just picked up, the HP Color LaserJet M252DW. I'm just going to go ahead and double click it. And it says Add Device. When I click on that, it automatically adds the device to my printers and scanners queue. And that's all there is to it. And now I can go ahead and close this and my printers and scanners will be picked up. If you'd like to look and see your list of any other printers that you have, you can just go down to the search bar where it says Type here to search and type the word printers in there. When you hit the enter key after hitting printers, you should see a list of all of your printers that you might have installed. If something isn't working properly, just go ahead and right click on it. That's using the right mouse button. You're going to go ahead and right click on it and say manage. Sorry, that is incorrect. Do not right click on it.